ただきます。イエーイ。I've been using Talk to Me in Korean as a tool to learn Korean, and I really like it mainly because of the podcast content that they have. I'm at level 2 of the grammar, and here you can see this is what I've done. In total there are 31 lessons, and I even have a PDF file. So it's really handy to just listen to it and follow it. Okay, let me just show you.
You're listening to Talk to Me in Korean. 안녕하세요, 여러분.
안녕하세요.
Hello, everyone.
Hello everyone. This is
We're fighting over who's going to say their name first. Okay, lady first.
And the people that
Since I'm a nice guy.
hosted are very, I don't know, I just like their interactions. Really,
Okay. This is
I don't know,
Hyun-chae,
kind
and
of
this
funny
is
and
Hyun-woo-sung.
awkward or something. They
안녕하세요,
just
선생님입니다.
always make
안녕하세요.
jokes. So
주경입니다.
it's pretty fun
So,
to listen.
형은 토요일, 일요일 are weekend. So, okay. As our listeners might have already guessed, we are talking about the names of the days in a week.
네, 맞아요.
Once again, Tuesday is
화요일,
화요일, and now Wednesday is
수요일,
수요일.
수요일.
수요일. Now we've introduced Monday부터 Wednesday까지, from Monday till Wednesday. So what was Monday again?
토요일에는 소풍을 갈 거예요. 소풍?
토요일에는 소풍을 갈 거예요. 토요일에는 소풍을 갈 거예요.
토요일에는 소풍을 갈 거예요. 영화를 봤어요. Hello. I put up my bangs today. I look different. Do you see? I have like a little braid here. This again confirms hair is pretty important for someone's image. Anyway, let's start. I have my ginger tea here. Looks gross, but it's really good. I thought I'm gonna just sit down and film this because I have decided to finally start a YouTube channel. Sound weird. I've had this idea for a while now, and I really like making videos and filming my daily life, and especially when I go on holiday, I like making videos and edit them and like watch them again, and I feel like I can really recall the memories, and I just really like to visualize things. And so I started doing that, and I post them on my Facebook and my Instagram, and some of my friends have been telling me they really like it, and I appreciate that so much because I mean, I like to do it, but if other people also enjoy watching it, then it's even more valuable. And I spend a lot of time, and people who edit videos know what I mean. It's very time consuming and such a jimina sagyo. That's how you say it in Japanese, but it's not sexy, let's just say that. Editing is not sexy. From next year, April, I will start working in Japan, and I will actually move there. And I thought it will be really interesting to to document everything. Now I'm editing this video, I really feel like I've been rambling too much and it's not really clear what I want to say. The main reason why I want to start making videos here is that I want to share my process of how I actually moved to Japan and what I experienced as working in Japan as a foreigner, basically. And for the rest, regarding the content, it could go various ways. I'm not even sure about what I want to do and where this channel is going to take me, but yeah, I'm just gonna do it, I guess. Okay, bye.
This, so please arrange it.
Ja.
Wit met pepernoten.
Dus,
Heb je geen pepernoten?
nou met pepernoten. En dat is... Wauw. Deze weet ik niet. Gewoon welke aan de Wat ook.